Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge a Porsche Macan. Begin by locating the charging port and confirming the connector type before plugging in. Choose a level 2 charger for routine charging and prefer DC fast chargers for long trips to save time. Always follow safety guidelines, verify your home circuit capacity, and use the vehicle app to monitor progress and set charge limits for daily use. Start by identifying your Macan model and whether it supports AC charging, DC fast charging, or both. Use the CCS combo connector for DC fast charging and Type 2 for AC Level 2 charging in many regions. Expect charging speed to vary by charger power, battery state of charge, and ambient temperature. Preconditioning the battery helps on cold days. Plan routes around reliable fast chargers and confirm connector compatibility before arrival. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your Macan smelling great after long drives. It is inexpensive, easy to use, and adds a pleasant scent that complements interior cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Preparing home charging starts with choosing a level 2 EVs rated for your Macan and confirming 240V circuit capacity. Hire a licensed electrician to install a dedicated circuit and a NEMA outlet or hardwired station and obtain any permits required. Consider charging schedules to take advantage of off-peak rates. Set battery target to about 80% for daily use, and perform periodic software updates to maintain charging performance. Also check warranty terms related to home charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.